Hi everyone, this is Gleeza, Made with Glee. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 last minute, easy Dollar Tree DIYs that you can do right now. And the reason why I'm sharing this is because the elephants are back in the Dollar Tree. Yay! This is one of my most popular videos, is my elephant Diwali tiered tray and also my elephant baby shower favors, and the elephants that I use are back in the Dollar Tree. Now this, I believe, is the second casting of this elephant, and it doesn't have as many details as the first one. I mean, it's not as defined, but they are great. So if you guys are near a Dollar Tree, run, don't walk, go grab yourself a bunch of elephants. If not, check on their website, because that's where I got my initial 2 cases of elephants for the baby shower. Now back to Dollar Tree DIYs for Diwali. Really easy, really simple. For like $2-3 you can make lots of customized decor for Diwali. You can find these sticky ribbon diamond stuff in the Christmas section and also in the craft floral section in different colors, but the silvery ones I found in the Christmas section. And the tea light candle holders, again, $1 for one. They come in about 3 different sizes. I just picked up one, and it's real simple to go ahead and add this ribbon glitter rhinestone stuff. Just be very careful when you're removing the backing strip. You can sometimes pull the entire glue strip off of the actual little diamonds. So be very, very careful. As you can see, I have a little piece that I accidentally pulled the glue off of. So be very careful when you're taking the glue strip off of the back of the little rhinestones. And that's really simple, easy, anyone can do. You can customize this in any color of your choice depending on the diamonds that you find. And my store only had like a blue and this white one. I was looking for red because that's my decor. I love red, but I couldn't find any red ones, only the blue and the crystal one. So that's what I use, and this is a really easy decor item from the Dollar Tree. And of course, for Diwali, you have all your tea lights and your LED little tea light candles that you can pick up there. And again, it's $1. You get 2 in it for $1, or the tea lights, I believe they come 8 in $1. Now for our second DIY, we're going to use a Dollar Tree Christmas picture frame. And here I just cut out a piece of glitter cardstock, and I'm using a paint pen to draw a simple design. Now remember, I'm doing these things for Diwali, but it doesn't have to be for Diwali. It can be for Christmas or any other occasion, just by changing the motif that you use or the color of the paper that you use, or just that's it. These are not specific. Diwali is a festival of lights, and so we tend to have lots of candles and reflective surfaces, and we like to show a lot of bling. But you can use these things for Christmas, for New Year's, for any other just general decor idea. So that's a dollar store frame, really simple. See how easy? And now there are elephants. Now these elephants are great. You can do so many different things with them, and I'm just showing you a few little ideas of what you can do with them. You can glue them together, you can glue things on top of them. I mean, again, use 3 and make a tray. I'm going to link some of my videos on which I did the other DIY with these elephants, so you can get some more ideas. But that's pretty much it. And if you're wondering what's on my hand, I have henna on my hand, and I'll leave a little video clip of me doing my henna. I do my henna myself. I'm not very good at it. I just practice. I do it a lot better on other people. I just don't do it well on myself. So go, run, don't walk to your local Dollar Tree. Pick up a bunch of elephants. If not, go online to their website and see if they have them there. But the elephants are back, and I'm so excited to share these with you guys again. And easy DIYs. 3 very simple DIYs. A candle holder that you can bling out any way you'd like, a frame that you can use as a base for your diyas, and of course the elephants, which are so very versatile and perfect for Diwali. So that's it, guys. I hope you like my 3 very easy DIYs for Diwali, and check out me doing my henna. Like I said, I'm not very good at it, but when it comes to doing it on myself, I can do it a lot better on other people. When I'm doing it on my nieces or my sister-in-law and stuff, that's fine. But on myself, I tend to be a little bit sloppy. I don't have the same control. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them for me. Happy Diwali to everyone. Tomorrow is actually Diwali Day. That's the one that most Hindus celebrate. Many, like I said, celebrate for 5 days, but I only observe 1 day of Diwali, and that is tomorrow. So my house is clean. I am all well decorated for Diwali. Perhaps I'll share a video of how I combine my fall and my Diwali decor together. And just a bunch of cooking tomorrow. So that's it, guys. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend and the rest of the week. Christmas videos have been made, and it's just a matter of me putting them up there. I am just not ready for it. I want to go through the seasons as they come. So I'm celebrating and observing Diwali, the Festival of Lights, right now. Then I will do Thanksgiving, and then you will get all the Christmas decor ideas and DIYs from me. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. And again, happy Diwali to everyone. May love and light always prosper over darkness. Have a good one. Bye.